Bacolod is one of my most favorite places. It is such a charming city. Ang sarap ng mga food. It is so easy to go around. If you're planning a trip here soon, this is our itinerary. Most of it, puro kain lang. Pero if you love food tourism, go ahead and watch the video so we can show you our favorite places in Bacolod. Starting our adventure here at the airport. Actually, we attempted na mag-domestic lounge sa Pags. Pero it was so small kasi. Let me show you na lang. So ito yung domestic lounge ng Pags. They have food naman, pero the food is pretty limited. Ayan, may coffee machine sila. You can make your own coffee. May food din. So ito, may rice meal sila. This is Korean beef stew, if I remember correctly. They also have the chicken arroz caldo with all the toppings there. So ikaw na lang maglalagay. Mayroon ding bread, pero ang sad, tignan nyo, isang peraso na lang siya. For drinks, in fairness, may choices naman. And may Coke, may Royal, may Sprite. Meron ding sugar-free. Yung coffee nila, sacks lang. Medyo sad yung parang paper cup na lagayan. And as I said, super liit lang dito. Ayan, sobrang konti lang ng seats. Kaya we decided to go. Sa Subway na lang kami kumain. Yeah, we're having Subway. So, ano na lang, isang potato chips na lang kami. Tapos, yung isa naman, 2 cookie option. Para tig-isa kami ng cookie, tapos potato chips. I got, ano nga ba yun sa akin?
Steak and cheese.
Steak and cheese. Tapos yung bread ko, parmesan. We're already on the plane to Bacolod. It's a bit noisy kasi nasa emergency row kami. Look at the leg room.
We will roll out our hand cafe for your snack.
Oh, pa.
Cash.
Love it.
Yung mga ganito sa roller coaster ko lang.
Okay, we're already here at our unit. So, ayan, may kitchen. I think kompleto kami. May induction cooker. Yung ref, hindi siya super big pero big enough. May microwave, may coffee maker. Tapos, eto kasi request siya ni Josh. Kailangan nakahiwalay yung kitchen sa bedroom. So, ayan, may bedroom. I think this is a queen. Tapos, uy, may closet. Malaki yung TV. Tapos, ayan, may parang sitting area. Tapos, medyo maganda yung view namin. Ayan, sorry, nawawash out siya. May McDonald's. Oo, McDonald's. May bowling.
Oh, meron?
Oo. Fancy house. Oh my gosh. Na-try ko na kasi yung Sharon's before. So, punta naman kami dito para ma-try. Errands. Ayan. Wala silang menu. Very, ano siya, parang karinderya feels. We have kanse na, ayan o, hindi ko alam kung small ba to or large. Pero yan. Tapos may extra pa siyang sabaw. May sabaw kaming tig-isa. Ang dami, no? Pero 400 din kasi siya. Whether small or large, 400 sila parehas. Sorry, bleep. Hindi siya masyadong sour. Panginit. Grabe, no? Alam nyo, nabawasan na namin ito ng sobrang dami. Pero sobrang dami nung meat. So, we are paying either 420 or 480. Pero I think it's super sulit. Kahit 4 kayo or 3, super busog kayo dito. Siguro naninibago lang kami kasi wala siyang vegetable, ganyan. Tapos kung gusto niya ng bone marrow, meron rin siya. Kumakain ka ba ng ganun, Josh?
Hindi.
Ayan o, kung beef lover kayo, you will love this. It's sour, pero it's not too sour. I think the easiest way for me to describe kanse is parang siyang sinigang, pero bulalo yung laman niya. Pero walang gulay, ganun. And for me, yung pinaka-authentic talaga is eating it here. Kasi I've tried it sa mga restaurants sa Manila. It's good. Pero nothing beats kanse here in Negros. We're having dessert at Felicia's. If you're staying here, consider staying dito sa Cityscapes. This is where I stayed before. Tapos, andito yung Felicia sa tapat niya. So if you love desserts, sobrang perfect niyang location. So they have lots of cakes. Ayan, so, ayan, dami pa rin choices, Josh. Pili ka na lang ng gusto mo.
Yung chocolate caramel.
Okay, asan yan?
Ayun.
This is the dulce de leche chocolate cake. Magkano to, Josh?
175 lang.
175. It's not super thick, pero not bad. Kasi sa Manila, parang around 200 plus to for sure. It's a combination of two of my favorites, dulce de leche saka chocolate cake. Akala ni Josh, caramel cake siya. Pero apparently, it's dulce de leche. Ganda. Sobrang perfect ng layers niya. Very sweet. Can't expect na hindi siya matamis kasi it's dulce de leche and chocolate cake. It's rich. Parang yema and then cake. Ang sarap. You wanna try, Josh? We're here at the ruins. Ayan yung entrance fee. So, madaming option. Merong consumable na 400. Tas for adults, it's 150. 100 for seniors. 80 student. Ayan. No bringing of food and drinks. Alam nyo, feeling ko konti lang yung tao today. Kasi wala ko nakikita masyado. Bumili na si Josh ng iniwan niya na ako. So, yun. I've been here before, pero Josh hasn't been. Tapos, it's a good photo spot kasi medyo may lalakarin tayo. Ayan. Ano yan, Josh? Okay. Naghihintay na rin. Okay. So, actually, ang dami talagang spots dito. If you look to your right, and pag nilalakad namin siya, papunta pa lang kasi kami dun sa ruin. So, sa right side, may malaking garden. I could show you. This is yung parang garden area. Ayun o, tignan nyo. May mga, I think telescope sila or camera equipment. Pero this is really pretty. Yan. Ayan, garden lang siya. So, dito na tayo sa ruins. So, yun na yung actual structure. Pero there's so much to see inside. Ayan na. So, welcome to the ruins. Ayan. So, pwede nating explore muna yung bahay. Tapos mag-picture-picture later. Ganyan. Ayan. May dressing rooms, may CR, ganyan. Alam nyo, ang cute na fits dito. Yung parang mga pa-dress-dress sana. Yan. May museum here or gift shop. Gift shop siya. Yan. Yan. So, parang siyang old house. Ganda. Oh, ayan. Ayan siya. Daming spots. Tapos, we went here around 4:30 para sana dumilim. Tapos, mas maganda daw kasi ito paggabi. Tapos, meron ding mga spots there. Ayan. Kung saan nyo nakita yung mga tao, parang may spot doon para may parang pa-mirror effect. Ganyan. May fountain, ganon. Josh, gusto ko ng picture din doon, no?
Saan?
Ayan, kung saan nagpipicture yung girl na yun. Gagayahin ko lang.
Ay, nakadunga. Sige.
Pero yun yung mga lights siya. But we're tired. We're going back to the Airbnb. Let's go. Ay, pero ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda sa skin tone, no? They have sugarcane juice. They have sugarcane juice here. Ayan. 100 daw. Bumibili si Josh. Mahilig siya sa drinks kasi. And he's been wanting to try sugarcane juice. Ayan siya, oh. Freshly squeezed. Yan, kita nyo pa yung mga tubo. Ganyan. Ang dami pala niyang ano, ah.
Okay siya. Apple?
Ha?
Parang apple siya.
Okay.
Apple and I don't know. Parang pear and apple na magkahalo.
Is that a good thing? Natuwa ka?
It's good. It's good. Masarap siya.
Masyado bet. Medyo weird siya. Hindi siya ganyan lasa yung nalasahan ko before.
Hindi ko kasi kulang siya sa acidity. Sumili ko lalagyan siya ng...
We're back at Felicia's. Kasi you know, favorite ni Josh yung caramel cake. Ay, hindi naman pala siya caramel cake. It's, I forgot, ano nga siya ulit? Dulce de leche cake. But we're having coffee. Yeah. Dapat carrot cake. Josh wanted to try the carrot cake. Pero sadly, wala. So, dulce de leche it is. Apparently, there are only like cakes. So, may mga cakes na pwedeng slices, tapos merong mga cakes na kailangan whole mo lang siya mabibili. A whole cake costs 1,400, pero swear, if you see the cakes and if you taste the cake, sobrang worth it yung 1,400. I wish may ganito sa atin, pero yun, if only I could take this home, super bet talaga to. Dulce de leche cake again. Masarap talaga, oh my gosh. It's a little on the sweet side. So, hindi na ako mag-sugar sa coffee ko. Ang init, oh my gosh. Pero masarap naman. Kaso napasok yung sarili ko. Cut! So, we're at the lagoon now. Medyo wrong yung oras na punta namin. Like, it's 11 o'clock. So, medyo mainit. Pero pag morning saka afternoon dito, maraming old people na nag-exercise. Maliit lang siyang park. Pero marami naman kasing shade na trees. Di pa rin siya ka-level ng mga park sa Japan. Pero, di ba? It's a nice break. Kasi sa atin, wala naman park halos.
Wala.
We are finally having inasal. So, ayan. We're here at Chicken House. Pag nakita niyo siya sa labas, don't be scared or intimidated na mainit kasi they have an air-conditioned space. Ayan, no? Malaking aircon. Yan. So, it's more presko than other inasal places. Kasi yung mga ibang inasal, walang aircon. So, kung gusto niyo ng aircon, Chicken House is key. Ito yung menu. Yan. So, yung pecho is 130 pesos. Yung paa, I think it's paa, hindi siya paa. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung pronunciation ko. It's 125 pesos. Yung rice, though, 45, 40, saka 35. So, it depends. Garlic ba siya or fried or plain? So, parang total siguro ng isang tao around parang 180, mga ganon. Tapos nag-atsara pa kami, which is 70 pesos. We got our order. Hindi na po nakapaghintay si Josh. Fried rice yung sa kanya. So, sa kanya yung lean, sa akin yung mas juicy, ganyan. Ito sa akin, garlic rice. Ang daming garlic. Feeling ko nangingit si Josh. Smaller siya than the usual inasal na mas sikat. Okay. Pero, if I remember correctly, this is good. Juicy.
Palaman.
Oo nga.
Mainit yung rice.
Okay, umorder pa ako ng barbecue kasi feels ko bitin sa akin yung inasal. Try ko muna on its own without dipping. Okay. More barbecue yung lasa niya than inasal.
Iba siya.
Ay, siguro kung inasal siya, ma-enjoy ko siya. Finally, nakabalik na ako sa Kalea. And I got a mud pie. Slightly bigger yung mud pie, yung slice ng cake here compared to Felicia's. Pero yung carrot cake, medyo similar sila ng slice. Hindi enticing for me yung carrot cake. To anyone going to Bacolod, yung Kalea sa Robinsons is already closed. We made the mistake going there kasi the first time I was here, it was the opposite naman. Yung nasa Robinsons Bacolod naman yung bukas and this one was closed. So now, finally, nandito na ako sa Lacson branch and I'm eating mud pie. How's that? Okay. So, hindi masyado bet ni Josh yung carrot cake. I hope this is as good as I remember.
The bottom part, I guess.
Del Revia, super affordable, oh. Tingnan nyo yung mud slice na ang laki-laki, 130. Carrot cake, 110. Have. Okay, we're here at Mascarech again. We're having lunch here. This will be technically our last lunch in Bacolod. Pero Josh is getting the cakes from Felicia's kasi gusto rin namin na cakes. Sobrang gipit na kami sa oras. So ayun, siya yung order ng cake, ako yung order ng lunch. This pretty much sums up our Bacolod trip, but we are on our way to Iloilo. So please like and follow for more content like this. And para masubaybayan nyo na rin yung Iloilo adventure namin. Thank you so much for watching!